Welcome to Prime Tech, and you can see today we are on a trip, and we are almost a couple of kilometers away from Chame, headquarters of Manang district of Nepal. And special purpose of today is to visit a waterfall. And in this course, we are watching on the corridor of Marsangdi river. On just right of me, Marsangdi river is flowing continuously to downstream, and the noise of, you can see beautiful sound that is coming from Marsangdi river and in the background. And you can see in front of me three guys, they are joining with me, and we are walking through the forest. And this is the acute, I would like to say acute winter season, and till now there is no sign of snowfall in Chame, and therefore you can see vegetation, they have dried, rivers they have frozen. And we are walking to a waterfall which is just nearby us, about 1 hour walk to west from Chame. Okay, you can see pine trees over here. In front of me I can see Timur, one of the important element of spices used in Nepal, and dhupi. Okay, old pine tree that has fallen, and these are very good source of wild mushroom in especially summer and rainy season. And now we have come closer to our destination, and in the meanwhile let us have a glimpse of Marsangdi river. Is moving downward and is so small, looks so small here. Last time, let me remember, it's actually about 4 months ago we have visited the same destination, and area, it was full of it was so difficult to walk, and we could walk so hardly. But now we could see not so disturbance here. At that time we have picked some wild mushrooms and tasted. It was a new experience for us at the time. So, and today we are having some another exciting experience of a frozen waterfall. Hope you are enjoying the video. And I have got Mr. Devendra Ghimere with me, sharing the journey. I would like to welcome him in the show. Okay, welcome to the show. How are you feeling about today's journey?
Very nice. I'm feeling too much excited. We are going to
Waterfall,
which is
frozen
milk.
Oh. Is this your second time, right?
Second time.
Oh.
Second time. Frozen first time.
Oh, thank you very much. So, as our Devendra sir just mentioned, this is his second trip to the waterfall, and in the frozen case, this is the first time. I can see Mr. Pawan in front of me enjoying the music and traveling the journey, and this is his second trip in the frozen waterfall. Okay, when we reach the destination, then we would love to have some chat with him. But actually he is a guy with a little bit shy in nature, and he does not like to face camera too much. So if possible, and if he didn't deny, I would join him in the company. So with this turning, now we have reached to a small downstream, and you can see it is completely frozen. Oh, our friends, they're trying to cross the river, I would like to say, which is completely frozen and quite slippery. Oh, how would he pass it? Oh, no. Oh, it looks so dangerous. Be careful. And you can see here, above the topmost surface is completely covered with ice, and here, and you can see water is flowing just below, penetrating the ice, I would like to say. And this is the view from another side of stream. Uh, Completely frozen. Look, amazing. And this is one of the minor waterfall, and we'll show you when we reach our destination. This is not our destination, and the ultimate destination is much more amazing than this that we just crossed on the way. And in the meantime, there is a man leading from the front. I would like to meet Mr. Saligram Sakpat sir. He is in front of me and actually leading the journey. So how are you feeling right at the moment?
Excited.
Okay.
I'm excited.
So this is his.
My first trip.
Okay, just as he mentioned, this is his first trip, and with much more excitement, much more enthusiasm, with much more energy, he is leading the way. You can see, leading us who are at least who visited at least a single time in the destination. So this is going to be much more interesting. In the meantime, now we are in the open area, and you can see we are almost close to our destination with the Marsangdi. Here I would like to now turn that view. Okay, this is the destination that today we are designed to meet, and this is the waterfall that today we have planned to reach. And you can see, I would like to let you connect you from the downstream. It goes from here. Okay, completely frozen. Yes, it does not stop here. I've already told you, complete view of this waterfall from a single point is not possible, and from there it is turning, and you have to go to the next side to view this waterfall. Okay, so amazing. Oh, this amazing waterfall which looks so much beautiful in spring season. I hope you are enjoying this. Okay, shall go down, and I will love to show you the situation at the downhill, but is it possible to go there? Let us try. So now we are marching down, and one of our energetic youngest friend is checking the trail.
Second LSP is going now.
Okay, Mr. Pawan, so much courageous.
Last English is going.
Okay, our oldest and experienced guide. So you can see.
यसलाई छोप्नु छ, त्यसै दौड्दै आउनु क्या, यसको सपोर्ट लिएर हो, हाँगालाई छोप्नु अनि दौड्दै आउनु हो। आउनु आउनु अब बाटो यस्तो छ त अब कस्तो हुने नि। आछ आछ ल सर, ल आउनु आउनु हो, त्यसै त्यसलाई छोप्नु न, अलि बेसी छोप्नु अनि दौड्नु 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 हो। रिस्की त हुन्छ होइन, त्यही पनि अप्सनै त्यही छ त। अनि छिटो आउनु तपाईँ, तपाईँको भिडियो नै बन्न, छिटो आउनु। केटाकेटी जस्तो के बसेर आएको भने ल ऊ त्यो निलो हेर्नु न तपाईँ
So you can see in front of me, this is the frozen waterfall. You can see this is at the background. You can see it's coming down from here, and I am standing just above the waterfall, and water is flowing just below this. Amazing. From here. Oh yes. Oh. I hope you like our video and don't forget to subscribe. Prime Tech. Thanks for watching. Thank you.